Good morning, top of the morning. You kids, when they hit themselves in the face. What is up, y'all? Good morning. I know it's been a while since I vlogged. I feel like every vlog I always say that. It's just been, I know. It's just been so much going on. But not like that. Like, it's been a lot going on, but then it's been like to where I couldn't like really just bring my camera type stuff. What?
I need you.
For what? But anyway, so today is the day after Valentine's Day. It is, hang on y'all, 10:06 in the morning, and we are in Texas, but you wouldn't be able to know we were in Texas if you saw this. Y'all, I'm sorry about my dog. He just, Lord, I don't know. Child, I don't know what's going on. He just too much. But anyway, so we are in Texas, and it is about, I don't even know how many inches of snow that is. My husband said he think it's about 6 inches of snow. So yeah, y'all, we got 6 inches of snow last night, and guess what? We are about to go play in it here in just a minute, y'all. So at 2 a.m. this pillow fell. Oh my God, like y'all, look, y'all. I'm gonna just step out here. Oh my gosh, y'all. Sheesh. Look how much snow is on top of my pillow. Like, that's the snow. My hand is in the snow. That right there alone is about a good 3. This is that legit good snow. Like, my little decorative pot over there for my garden. Yeah, just full of snow. Y'all see how tall that is over there? Like, let me see if I can zoom y'all in. Y'all see how tall that is over there? That is crazy. But yeah, y'all, so I don't think we'll be able to last out there that long. It was like freezing cold. I was only out there for a few seconds. Now, granted, I didn't have on any jacket or anything. I just got on my cheetah print pajamas. But, well, shut up. But it is freezing.
You get snow up. What you tell me? Wipe that snow up, man. Track me out that snow in here.
Baby, that snow, that snow is up.
No,
that snow is up.
The same rules apply. Get that water up.
Y'all, I promise you, he about to get slid off the map, honey. Slid off the map. I set the rules. Everybody else follow. And that's on Mary Had a Little Lamb.
Mary had a little lamb that cleaned up that snow trails too.
Lambs don't clean up. But yeah, y'all, so don't have any plans for today. All we're gonna do pretty much is, I got some new tires because like last time on my Jeep I had like mud tires, which we didn't know at the time that they were mud tires, but that's how I bought my Jeep from the shop. But so changed tires, and I got all-terrain tires. And yesterday I got off work at 5. I went home an hour early. Nope, finish that up. Finish that up. Go to the table. Go to the table, finish that up. Don't be trying to rush. But yeah, so got off at 5. Got off an hour early from work. Just so I can make sure I made it home. I stay about 30 minutes from my job normally, but it honestly took me about 50 minutes to get home. But my Jeep though, she did awesome in the snow, girl. Like, she did really, really awesome. And yesterday it wasn't really snow, it was just ice. So, but I'm surprised that she did as well as she did. So today we're gonna let the kids play outside. The dogs are running loose. They are playing in snow. French Fry inside right now, the other dog's outside. Every time we try to pull him inside, he is a English Bulldog and a miniature pit bull mix. every time we try to pull him in, he does not like the hardwood floors in this house. He does not. He hates it. Like, I pulled his collar and pulled him in because he acted like he wanted to come in. But y'all, I pulled his collar. He was like, oh, like, you know, he didn't even want to come in. So I'm letting him stay outside. He's having his fun outside. We got some hay on the porch. So he's playing with the pillow, as you guys saw. And is all in the hay. But yeah, so kids gonna play in the snow. We're gonna play in the snow for a little bit, and then we just gonna take the Jeep out and do some fun things with the Jeep to see what she is made of. All right, y'all, so we have been outside for a little bit. Everybody's outside. I'm going outside with this mask on because it keeps my face warm. Hang on. But yeah, it's keeping my face warm. And y'all, it is so stinking bright out there. So I gotta put my shades back on. Cause it is so bright. All right, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all how it look outside in Texas. Y'all would think we was in...
Twice.
And that's why I tell you, you gotta take it slow in this garage. Oh, yeah. So y'all, this is Texas right now.
Daddy, why is
Hey, be careful! Freezing cold. I ain't got no gloves, so I'm having to use socks. The ghetto, baby, the ghetto. But at least my hands are warm. Look at Avery friends.
I popped up a snowball in front of their face. They probably want their revenge on me.
Okay. Y'all, this is crazy to have this much snow. This is about 10 inches of snow, y'all. French fry, you loving them snuggles, girl.
I felt kind of good because I was inside all day.
Yeah. Yeah, aren't y'all cold though?
Yeah, a little bit. My face hurts.
I'm not Christmas.
Nash, where your shoes? Where y'all shoes at for this weather?
Oh,
Yeah, everybody got on tennis. Hey, French fry, get away. Get away from the drain, girl. You're gonna fall in.
Yeah, the little thing right there, the little water thing. Hunter! What? Look, this is frozen too. Oh, bro, look at all.
What is, man?
That creek?
Yeah.
I'm gonna see, can
What is Dad doing?
let's see, can I make it in and out?
Boy, don't you fall.
What the?
Hey, bag up.
Oh, these are pumpkins up in here.
Aiden.
Oh, it ain't froze too good.
Gemma.
Oh.
That one's frozen.
Are you stuck?
It's deep, bro. Yeah, I bet. It's
That one is frozen.
It's way deeper than what I thought.
Oh my god.
Cordell,
That one's frozen.
Ooh, I ain't
I'm
gonna
trying to
get-
tell
I
you,
ain't
it just
gonna
had
get
to be him.
That one's frozen.
It just has to be you. Little Dora the Explorer.
It might be thicker than you think.
Yeah, it's thicker than
That
I
one's
thought.
frozen.
Aiden, if you slide down there, you're going to be right up in it.
That one's frozen.
Get back up away from the edge.
It's frozen.
What is that?
There we go. A pumpkin that was thrown in there. Think about these pumpkins I threw over there.
You are childish.
I threw a pumpkin over here. That's that's it. Hey, I mean,
It's in the wood.
yeah, it's in the wood. It ain't like it's trash.
That's a man's mentality right there, I swear.
Let's just give it back to it. Hey, it's deep over here, but it's harder. Now, let's walk out.
Hey, Chandler, Jace, you ain't going down there, homeboy.
See how far can you walk out?
I've already told you once. Next time you're going inside, you hear me? Get out there.
Don't listen to Cordell. Don't walk over there.
A little bit now. Step on it, but don't step all the way up. Oh, no.
What happened?
He tried to walk on the ice, and then he had to jump across, and still Still got his whole foot in there.
Oh my God, boy, you better go inside. That foot is gonna be froze over.
If you love me, let me hear you say my name, my name. If you love me, let me hear you, babe. Cause I wonder if you feel the same, same. Or just tell me if you feel the same. You don't need
might
to
go to hold back like
hesitate. Oh babe, now it's never too late.
Y'all, my toes are froze. Like, they are absolutely frozen. I got on hunter boots, but oh my God, my feet are froze. Like, they are absolutely froze. Yeah, they are so froze to the point that it hurts. It hurts so bad.
Mommy, I got
You ain't even know
Forgot about
that.
that speed bump. I really did forget
You
about
can't
this.
even see it. I agree, you can't see that.
Let's see how it is when just regular snow like this. Oh shit.
What? I told you she drives
Yeah,
good.
because I want to know on the road if we hit where it ain't been no cars going through it.
Oh, I told you she drives
Mommy, I got a
absolutely
rock.
perfect. Here, why are y'all playing with this? If y'all hands are cold, why are y'all steady playing with the snow? Ooh,
Oh,
man.
you filled up too, huh?
Mm-hmm. You knew I was.
Good deal.
Y'all have fun?
No, I didn't.
Y'all little feet just froze.
I'm never not going back outside when it
speed bump.
snows. I am.
Yo
I can't
ass.
tell where they at.
Me neither. It's all right.
Like, where you gonna see them at? They covered with snow. So by the time I get there, it's like, oh shit, speed bump. Dang, that seatbelt signal kills me, bro.
Right when you said it kills you, it stops.
Beautiful though.
Yeah, it is. I don't know if y'all can see that. But y'all, so we finna go pick up our other son. He's about 30 minutes away, which is probably about to be like a 50-minute drive. But nonetheless, a nice little drive.
I can tell I'm hitting the reflectors though. Yeah, my range job be up in that thing. Literally ain't can't even get up over 20. That's hard.
Oh. That came out of nowhere.
He got a track and everything. He got his wood. That's a black guy?
No, that's white.
Guy. He just
White man.
red.
You said he just a what?
Turned red.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't see it.
Good thing is that the power lines ain't.
Damn.
It could be ink.
Not just that, but I ain't got like ice on it to where it's wet down. You know what I
Yeah.
mean?
I got ready to upload. It could be taking now.
I'm off the gas.
Yeah.
I gotta slow it down. Oh, slime.
Wait, is it gonna get me on today? The can got some shit?
No.
Y'all
Wait.
just had all that candy and everything.
We have to eat something in the snow, Jay.
Now, look who the first
Another
one.
BMW. Oh, no, that's a Honda.
Look who the first one to go to sleep.
Jay.
Chandler.
This little Altima making it through.
Yeah. I'm surprised because
He drive down the middle of the road. You gotta get over, champ. Don't come see me, but just get over, cuz. He was just driving in the middle of that thing.
Yeah.
He probably was like, shit, I don't know where the road drop off at. All I do is follow the mailbox signs and stuff. Oh, see, she running through this like a breeze.
who? Oh,
She is.
on my Jeep.
Yeah.
I was like, who? That lady back there in that Altima?
She was making it though, or that dude or whoever was, they was making it though.
I
I'll
think,
pull up on your mom and be like, what's happening?
yeah.
What's happening? Girl, what y'all doing out
Oh,
here?
baby, you know what? I don't even want to pull up on her, baby, because she gonna have something to say.
Well, I just don't understand why y'all are out here in this weather like this. Where are y'all going? That's just sad.
I ain't even got time to hear her mouth, child.
I want to do it and then pull up and say, come outside. Look outside, then just drive off. Bye.
Because, baby, she gonna blow my phone up with something to say.
I be doing little childish shit like that.
Hell no.
Mama done finna be surprised we made it to their house.
We can pull up on your mama then, but most definitely not my
we
mama
gonna go pick
then.
up Avery then pull up on mama.
Yeah. Boy, look at that lake.
That's pretty though.
It's froze.
It's not froze, but it's
Look like
pretty.
it. But I still can't believe that little boy
Which one?
tried to cross that little part right there and sunk his
boy,
foot.
his foot went like, he stepped on it and then he like felt it sinking, then he like used the momentum to try to jump. But when he jumped and tried to clear the other side, he didn't know like how deep it was still. He hit, it's like he hit the edge and dropped back down in it. I'm like, dog, you tripping, cuz.
I'm like, are you doing that on purpose?
Jeep doing it, I'm just going with it. I don't want to go against it and make it slide. I'm just letting it have its way.
Damn.
Oh, it's making it, bro.
What's up with these little cars, bro?
Bro, they told. They told. Bro, they making a path, bro. Oh, he's skating. They just spinning through it. I think what they doing, they getting enough traction to spin and get it moving. They just kind of spinning through it.
That's crazy.
I'ma get lazy.
Into the drive
Yeah.
through here. I'm picking it up tomorrow.
Look and see. Watch, look at this. This is what people do in Texas.
That's what
Y'all
I did
see
on
it?
mine.
That is what they call a side-by-side. A Ranger.
I'm gonna get mine tomorrow.
That is crazy. People are driving like their side-by-sides, their four-wheelers, everything. I know. So we stopped, took a picture. Whoo, she done got dirty now.
Look there.
Y'all, so he just so excited because he done cooked his famous lemon pepper wings.
The kids want a pizza. I just
So-
want wings.
Tell me how you made the wings.
It's secret. Can't
Boy,
put that out. I gotta sell that. Sorry.
boy, go though. So let me tell y'all how he made it. You go,
Dale's lemon pepper.
boy,
Bag
go,
these hoes up and sell them. $9.99.
boy, go. Ooh, I look ratchet. But y'all, so we,
Nah, I put
as
it
y'all
up.
can see, we back home.
I just
Oh,
wash
so
my
now you
chicken
finna,
out.
okay,
Wash my chicken out.
okay.
Just fried it in regular vegetable oil.
Mm-hmm.
Then after I fried it, as soon as it get done, out that little silver toss pan, I get salted butter. Salted butter. I put the chicken out from there after it's done. Pour a little bit of lemon pepper seasoning on there. Pour the melt the salted butter. Pour it over the chicken. Then add my lemon pepper. That's it.
All right, y'all. But
Easy but great.
they are. But I will tell y'all,
Better
these
Wingstop.
are the absolute best. Yes, I agree. They are way better than
Season
Wingstop.
all the way through.
Seasoned all the way through. And they are actually pretty dang good.
And the season sticks on it. It don't like off.
So, I don't normally eat lemon pepper wings from like Wingstop or anything like that, but this time your girl had to because, well, this time your girl had to eat some wings that my husband made, and baby, they are bomb. Bomb, bomb, bomb.
Man, we stuck in the house, so we just eat.
Yeah.
We just eat everything that we need to cook anyway.
Let me cut this light on. Y'all, I'm real bummy. Like, real bummy. Let me turn this heater off. I'm so bummy. I'm in this bed in my robe. I don't know about y'all, but baby, I'm that person. Like, I grew up an only child, so I was by myself a lot of the time. So, I feel like my husband sometimes don't understand, but me as an only child, I was always in my bedroom. You know, I was always in the bed. I never was like laying down on the couch that much, or I never really came and sat at the kitchen table, or, you know, or things like that, because I mean, shit, it was me for a while by myself. So that's why I think that's where I think sometimes he just don't understand why I'm like like this, like my room is like my.
You like a teenager that's in college. You like a grown person. You like a college person. Like, this is your dorm.
Yeah, but this is like my one space. But you gotta think though, I'm an only child. It's always just been me. You have had other siblings, and y'all a lot of the times conjugated right there in the living room, talked with your brother, sister, and everything like that. I didn't have that growing up. It was just me. So everything, as far as in like my toys and things like that, everything was always in my room. So that's why I think I'm always in my room.
I'm everywhere.
Yeah, you everywhere, clearly.
Outside, inside.
But so right now I'm in my bed. Y'all let me know down in the comments, like, who likes to eat in their bed. Like, ooh, baby, I'm getting a little bit too hot, honey. Let me take this off. French fry girl, get on up out of here. No, he finna eat it. He finna eat that chicken. He always eat chicken. He ain't gonna mess over no chicken. You know that boy love chicken. Y'all, so I'm about to devour this chicken. But like I was saying, also before I eat my food, y'all let me know down in the comments, like, who all feel what I feel as far as in like, I eat in my bed. I'm sorry, that might be something like a hell no for y'all, but baby, I'm sorry. I like to eat in my bed. I sometimes will sit over there in my chairs right there. And I'll eat and stuff like that, but I have to be in my room. I don't know. My room is just my space, my domain. Like, yeah. But anyway, if that's you, sis, let me know down below.
This pink, freezing rain and sleet starting to move in. Then it starts to overrun some of that snow, making it very difficult along Interstate 20 there to the south. All snow, though, to the north, far north, with possibility of maybe 4 to 7 additional inches of snow.
Negative
Tuesday, we start to see the
1.
snow moving in. Wednesday is going to be a very tough day around here. Thursday, early morning stuff, but still not above freezing. And then we look at Friday, very cold in the morning. We're looking for a low of 13, 36 the high. Saturday, Sunday, we'll start getting warmer and warmer, and then unveiling that second set of 7 days, finally, some much warmer temperatures.
Damn, we hit the 70s.
Go ahead and give it away to Nancy Lucas in Jacksonville.
This is what we are doing. Hey, where's that remote? This will conclude snow day 1. I think I'm gonna record snow day 2 tomorrow. What we're gonna try to do is make some type of sled for the kids. So hopefully we can think of something so they can
Guys, it's time to switch.
slide on the road and stuff like
Let
that.
me get you to the same place. I'm racing Chris. I'll race you.
But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and
Alright. I'm done with Chris.
call it a night, girl.
Chicha, here, go get it. Let me give you a new gun. You like this one? Bro. You like this one?
I don't care. I can eat this soup.
Bruh.
The hell you looking at?
Bruh, something wrong
You
with
got something to say?
Something wrong with onion.
You got something to say? Either one of y'all got something to say?
What's wrong with that?
Huh?
Look at Chandler all the way up on toys. Look at
Chandler. Chandler.
He's slick, bro. What I tell you, he's slick.
Hey, bag it on up. Get on back over there.
He think it's a game. We all think it's funny.
Boy, shut up. Don't be
She
talking like that on that camera.
She don't want Big Dog to be on there. Delete that shit off. Man, you put it really on there. That shit finna fall and crack in 38 different ways.
Boy, you know what? Leave me alone. Oh, hey. Let's play Connect 4. Man, y'all finna lose.
Bro, y'all trash at that game. The only person that really know how to play is I.
Come on. Y'all trash at Jenga and good morning. Ooh, you trash. My lace is ratchet.
Ooh, that lace is up.
It ain't up.
He's trying to have a morning discussion with us.
It's ratchet. Boy, shut your ass up. Anyway, y'all, good morning. Hallelujah. We saw another morning. And we got power. And in Texas today, some of the rooms in our house don't have hot water. So, yeah. But I will say this, I'm very, very happy that we do have electricity because some parts of Texas don't have electricity, which is weird. I seen a little thing on TikTok where this dude was like, tell me how in the middle of summer when everybody is running all day AC that really there's never no power outages, but the time when it's in the winter and it's a -0 degrees outside.
You cut the power.
You cut the power.
No, there's old people out here that can't take that and there's anemic people.
I was just like, babe, that's, oh, did you see what it, oh yeah, we watched the news last night. Y'all, so some kids in Houston and their parents, you know, like back in the old days, I don't know if y'all know, but like back in the old days, we had like gas stoves and stuff like that, and we ain't have central air and heat. So what our parents and grandmothers used to do is heat the house up with the stove. So apparently some families did that in Houston, like this one family, and they got subjected to carbon monoxide poisoning. What? No.
Y'all been bad.
So one of the parents is in critical condition and one of the children is in critical condition. I think it was like 4 people in total, 2 kids, 2 adults. At my job, they said they had only seen 2 patients for this whole time.
Alright, to the drive. They got kids running 1 half, trying to tell you, I don't give a damn what they say. I'm so strong at 2 o'clock calling in.
You know the only way I drive out in this weather? If it's for my own benefit.
Right.
I'm trying to tell you, there's hell, I didn't even drive to the store that day. We got booster drivers. Yeah. So what make them think I'm finna drive? Avery's
gonna be stuck like Chuck, cause I damn sure it took Carle to talk me into coming to get his ass. Cause I told him I would've got him the day before.
Yes, we ratchet. We this type of ratchet.
I just was being lazy.
I'm yellow.
Come on, go. You wanna go first? Oh, why you gonna turn all the way like that, bro?
Because.
There you go. You can see. You ain't cockeyed.
Oh,
you didn't put the bottom on it.
Oh, I threw it away.
What the fuck? The fuck? I'm thinking this shit ready to go. Why you throw that away?
I didn't know that was the
type
piece
of person
to it.
don't read directions. You just say, I don't need this.
Honey.
You better go find. I ain't digging the trash can. That's on you. No wonder it ain't fitting in there the right way. It's neat the bottom piece.
Oh shit. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I threw it away. Let me go find it.
Hey.
All right.
Let me put this shit together because
I found it.
I know what you're doing.
Okay. You ready?
I'm ready.
You a hoe up there.
Connect 4, bro. I fucked up.
Connect 4, hoe. Woo! Boom, 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 boom.
I'll let you win that. Come on, bro. Steady long, steady wrong. Steady wrong, steady long. Bro, you count or something?
Mm-mm.
Where you gonna go? You had a Connect phone, you didn't even know it.
Where?
I almost fucked up, dude.
Let's see.
Ah, bro.
Connect
I didn't see it till the
Hey,
end.
but even if you had done that one, I was gonna go right here.
Go right there. But what I should have done was this right here, though. I should have threw one right. Oh, I would have still been stuck.
But you would have got your Connect phone right here, though.
Y'all, it's a frozen bird over here.
Oh my God, y'all, a whole frozen bird.
You want me to throw it away?
Oh, that's sad.
Whole little frozen bird.
So sad.
Oh, she froze.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you good thing. CPR?
Boy, shut up.
See, I got a bird that's froze. What you got? No, you pass your booty?
I need my glasses. I'm finna go get my shades.
What you got? Nasty, I don't want to have sheets.
Cordell.
Don't throw no ice, boy. Don't eat that. That's dumb. Stop, don't eat no ice. Keep your hood on.
You really want to do something? We need to ride with the damn doors off the Jeep.
For what?
You talking about you want to get the razor?
That's a lot of work for the Jeep.
What's up, boo-boo? Hold on, Chandler. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. Good job, Jay. Good job, boy. You having fun? Having fun? Hold on. You ready? Baby, I had to come back in the house. Where is this remote? Whoo, y'all. I done had to come back in the house because My fingers are absolutely frozen. And let me sit y'all up. And my toes, honey. My toes. Whoo. Y'all, they hurt so bad. They hurt because they so cold. And they ain't even get wet. It's just the matter of like the coldness being up on my toes. Like, I don't see how any of the homeless people or anybody in general that just don't have like heat or AC, like, girl, it's cold out there. Like, it is legit cold, and it's only like 12 or 13 degrees, but baby, it is freezing. Like, last night my husband said it got down to a -4, but honey, I can't imagine that. I just can't imagine that, and it being colder than what it is. Like, I didn't even survive a good hour out there. Like, I can't survive a good hour out there. Y'all seen the dead bird out there? Like, that was sad, and I don't even know how the bird died, but it's just probably cold as fuck. But baby, I gotta let these toes thaw out, honey, because my feet are froze. I think in my whole lifetime, this is probably like the coldest that Texas has ever been. I seen on the news last night, they said like the last time that this area got that cold was like 1903 or 1905 or something like that. I saw in the news. But girl, yeah, baby, it is freezing. Like, I'm finna put on my snow boots. But the only thing that I hate about the snow boots is that whenever they get wet, they have like this ugly looking color to them. I don't know. Like, it's like as if the snow messes up the snow boots, which I thought Ugg boots were meant for that. I'm not for sure. Hang on, y'all. Let me get these Ugg boots real quick. Honey, this is better. This is better on my feet, honey. This is better. So hopefully this can hold me, because baby, it is freezing. What you doing?
This is what we're working with. It's not 100% complete.
Hi girl, so these kids hungry, so I got to go ahead and cook. Right now I got my water boiling. I'm gonna go ahead and make some spaghetti for the kids. But yeah, so I'm gonna just let y'all watch me while I cook the food and prepare it, and I'm gonna watch YouTube. I don't know about y'all, but a lot of the times when I'm like cooking or something like that, I have to have like background noise or something like that, especially if I'm cleaning up. Like, that's probably like one of the most times that I'll watch YouTube is whenever like I need like background noise. But anyway, girl, let's go.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. 'Cause I wanna know why you let me go. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. 'Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart, and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. 'Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that.
I think for the rest of the night, all I'm gonna do is just get my stuff ready because I work tomorrow. I'm charging tomorrow and the next day. So I'm gonna get my stuff ready for tomorrow, and I am going to pack my lunch and just kind of wind down for tonight. Like, I don't know, just get prepared for tomorrow. If we're not busy tomorrow, I think what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and leave and take PTO. Matter of fact, let me see who my charge. I already know. I probably ain't gonna be able to leave because the assistant charge nurse, he has never been charged, like he has never been in charge fully. So, woo! Y'all, look at, hang on, let me see if my camera focus. Look at all that red on the schedule. All that red is just pretty much people that volunteered to go home, which is crazy. Because it was a snow day, and I think like today all they had was just maybe like 3 patients the whole entire day, which is horrible. But yeah, pretty much everybody that's driving from a far way, they aren't coming. Like one of my coworkers, they stay over an hour away, they're not coming. It looks like all the mid shifters he took off. So yeah, we shall see tomorrow. I don't understand why, but I got a headache. I'm about to take me some medicine, child. Take my shower and just get myself ready for work and just call it a night. Like, I'm done. I'm pooped. I will say this though, it was nice being off for these 2 days. I don't know why it felt like I was off for a whole lot longer, but yeah, it was really nice to be off these 2 days and to be home with my family. Yeah, it gave me, like, today made me feel like real housewife-ish, meaning like I'm at home, I cooked lunch for the kids, I cooked dinner for the kids, breakfast, I made them breakfast, which everybody wanted cereal. You know, I got my kids up and situated. You know, they did their sight words, they did their addition, they cleaned up their room, dog fed, clothes washed, folded up, put up. Like, I don't know, today was just a very good overall type of day. Like, that makes me feel good knowing that my house is clean, my family's fed, and we're all just good, and we're all just happy and thankful. Like, yeah. Although I will say this, as far as in NurseBabess, my shipment was supposed to be scheduled to be delivered yesterday, and if you guys are not aware, Texas we're in some type of snowstorm right now, which is super odd to say in itself, but Texas is in a snowstorm, so of course that delayed my package. I to be honest, I think it'll probably be sometime next week that the package would arrive. And then also we're without power in some areas of Texas, so I mean, now, and even our hot water in some of the rooms is not working. So, but yeah, y'all just give me a break. Everything's coming, I promise you. I'm just waiting on my shipment to arrive to me, but yeah, everything will be up and running, I believe, in about maybe a week or two. But yeah, I'm just really excited to get this product out to you guys. I got new colors coming. I got royal blue, I got some navy, I got a lot of black because black sold out so quick. I got a grape color, and I got gray, like a darker gray, not like super light gray, but like a darker gray. So I got those colors coming. I have a spring collection coming as well, which with my spring collection, I'm doing like a light pink and a lavender color. Those will be limited edition to my scrub line. So guys, whenever I do release the spring collection of the pink and the lavender, make for sure you guys hop on that. But yeah, so I can't wait for everything that's in store. Oh, we also got backpacks coming, which let me show you guys a picture of the backpacks. Okay. So if you can see, it's a cheetah print faux leather bag with like that beautiful, colorful strap. So we will also have those on my site coming up pretty soon. But like I said, Texas, we're in some horrible ass snowstorm. So everything has been delayed, which once I get everything in, I promise y'all gonna be set to go. But yeah, so anyway, girl, let me go ahead and get up out of here. Tend to my husband with his ratchet ass.
I ain't ratchet.
And I will catch you guys in the next vlog. I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog, our snow day vlog. But yeah, see you guys in my next one. Bye, babes.